How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Chevelle Malibu, done up as an SS clone. Gorgeous car. Done at tomato red with the black SS stripes. It's an all original panel car, rust free. Very nice. It's original front bumper and headlight bezels and marker lights in the car. They're all really nice shape. A little bit of patina on the bumper, but not bad. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. Nice set of 17-inch American racing wheels, and got 4-wheel disc brakes. Rear bumper on the car has been re-chromed. Tell you, it's just a real good looking car. Real straight, nice flat paint on the car. This would be a car you'd be proud to go to any cruise, any local show, enjoy it. Got a nice 350 in it. It's got factory air, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the heavy-duty cooling system. Just a really nice car. It's got all new interior in it. The original dash. Headliner's nice, tight. Looks really good. All the seat covers have been replaced. It's got the bucket seats with the center console. It's got tilt wheel. Got your 3-spoke sport wheel. The jams all look good in the car. Okay, it's just a real good solid car. They do have a nice AM/FM CD stereo there, nicely mounted under the dash. They didn't cut up the dash or nothing. See, all the door panels are new. Real solid car. A nice set of dual exhaust. Got 12-bolt rear with a posi. Sounds good out the back. Got a full master exhaust on it. Got a nice little cam in the motor. Have to bear with us. It's a little chilly out today. It's only about 30 degrees. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.